Hello, this is May 2015, C1, question number 4 Edexcel. Let's start. So this question says that there is a sequence u1, u2, u3 and so on, which is defined by an equation with this relationship. You can see that un plus 2 is equal to 2 times un plus 1 minus u of n, and they have given us u1, which is the first term of the sequence, and u2, which is the second term of the sequence, and then they want us to find the value of u3. Now, the way this is an iterative equation, which means that future terms depend on previous terms. So now, in order to get u3, you have to first see. So I have to get something like u3 equals, right. Now the equation we have is un plus 2. So you have to compare really this n plus 2 and this 3. So what should be the value of n to give you u3? So the answer is n should be 1, right? Or more explicitly, what is n plus 2? If I have n plus 2 equal 3, then n has to be 3 minus 2 equals 1. Or logically, you can have a look and you can see that n plus 2, I want n plus 2 to equal 3 and therefore n is 1. So let's put this equation and use n equal to 1 and see what this becomes. So on the left side, as we said, 1 plus 2, which is 3, and on the right side you have 2 times u of 1 plus 1 minus u of 1, which actually becomes 2 times u2 minus u1. Now this effectively means that u1 and u2 are given. u1, u2 are given to us. So let's put it here. So we should get 2 times u2. u2 is 4, so I'll get 4 minus u1 is also 4. So this is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 4. This should equal to 4. So basically u3 is also equal to 4. That should be our answer. Now part B, this was part A. Now let's look at part B. Part B says find the sum of n equals 1 to 20 of u of n. So sum means that if I was to expand this summation, it means everything is being added, and if I have to keep putting value of n, so it says this is equivalent to u1 when n equal to 1 plus u2 plus u3 plus and so on until u20. So I have to find this sum. Now as you might have noticed, right, in this question u1 was 4, as you can see here, u2 was 4, and then u3 also came out to be 4. And the way this sequence is, you started with 4 and 4, right? Then you keep adding, you keep putting the next value. So let's say if I want to find u4, I'll put n equal to 2 here. So u4 equals 2 times u3 minus u2. So again 3 and 2 are 4. You'll always get a 4. So therefore this sequence is such that all terms are 4. So in other words, it's all this is asking us is it wants us to just have a sum of these terms, and every term is a 4. So how many 4s have we got? We have got 24s. So in other words, we have 20 times 4. So that our answer should be 80. Now let's go to third question. Second part. Now second part says there is another sequence v1, v2, v3, and this time its relationship is this. We should note that this relationship is similar to this relationship, but this time the values of the sequences of first and second term are different. But anyways, there is no direct relationship. So yeah, v1 is k and v2 is 2 times k. Okay. Now they want us to find v3 and v4 in terms of k. So again, coming from the way we did the first question, we need v3, right? So the question should be, what should be the value of n here to give me 3? The answer is 1. So let's put 1 for all the n's here. So on the left side you'll get v1 plus 2, which is v3, and then right side will become 2 times v1 plus 1 minus v1. This becomes 2 times v2 minus v1, and in v2 is 2 times k and v1 is k. So we have 2 times 2k minus k, which then makes it 4k minus k, so it is 3k. This is the value of v3, so v3 is 3k. Similarly, for v4, what should I put here for n? It should be 2, because 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So v2 plus 2 equals 2 times v2 plus 1 minus v2. So this is equal to v4 equals 2 times v3 v2. Now let's put these values. 2 times v3 we just found from here, 3k, and v2 was given in the question, it is 2k, so it's given here. So what does it simplify to? 6k, so 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2k, it is 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4k. So v4 is 4k. Seems like there's a pattern, but anyways, that's again may not be required. But yeah, these are the values of v3 and v4. This was part A. So part B. Part B is saying for n equal to 1 to 5, Vn equal to 165. It's saying the sum of the first 5 terms of this sequence is equal to 165. So if that is true, then what is the value of k? So simple method is we write them out, because there are only 5 terms. It's quicker to write them out. So v1 plus v2 v3 plus v4 plus v5 equals 165. Now let's put them. So v1 was coming from here, v1 was k, v2 was 2k, so we have k plus 2k plus, we saw the v3 was 3k, 3k plus v4 was 4k. Yeah, v5 we haven't found, but you can guess from here, it should be 5k equals 165. Rather, the proper way would be to first find v5, because you know that there would be mark for that. So let's find v5 here. So v5, again the question is, if I want to find v5, I want to find v5, what should be the value of n? It should be 3, because 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have v5 should be equal to, remember n equals 3, 2 times v3 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 minus v3. So this is 2 times v4 minus v3. So v4 was 4k, so it is 2 times 4k minus v3 was 3k minus 3k, which is equal to 8k minus 3k, and this equals to 5k. So yeah, it is 5k, right, as we predicted. So then let's say, so we have 1 plus, so let's add these numbers together. 1 plus 2, which is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So we have 15k equal to 165. So k is equal to 165 divided by 15, and that comes out to be 15 tens is around 50, and then you have another 15, so that's 11. So k should be 11, and that is the answer. So remember, the key point here is, when you have to find terms here, make sure what you have to check is, what should be the value of this index n such that I get this on the left hand side. In this case, you are looking for 3, if you need n equal to 1, you put the same value elsewhere, and you automatically will know which terms to look for. similarly in this part. So let's move on to the next question. Thank you.